Hello everyone, I'm Flavius from Spacelift. At Spacelift you can configure everything that happens before and after every runner phase. This means that you have full control over what tools you bring to your workflows. To take this to the next level, we also allow you to define custom policies for the tools you bring to your workflows. This is done using our feature called custom inputs. Let's see how this works. So I have a stack right here that just creates a couple of Terraform resources. And in the hooks right here, I have some before initialization hooks. So what I'm doing is I'm downloading Treevee, I'm unarchiving it, and then I'm just running the Treevee config command to get information about the Treevee scan. I'm saving the output of this command in a file called treevee.custom.spacelift.json. So if you save anything in a file that's called whatever you want, .custom.spacelift.json, this would be actually exposed to our policies. So if you look here in the policies for this particular stack, I have the Treevee one right here, and you can see that it's taking the input from the third-party metadata .custom.treevee. So this is the exact name that we have here in the hooks. So let's see it again. So it's Treevee. Based on this, it will tell you if you have any high severity misconfigurations inside of your Terraform code. So let's do a run and see it in action. The run finished successfully, and you can see that we have two warnings due to high severity misconfigurations. So we have an instance with an unencrypted block device, and the AWS instance should activate session tokens for instance metadata service. So this is done using Treevee. Of course, the policy was evaluated to warning because that's what we told it, but this could be easily a deny based on your preferences. So you saw here that I have defined some hooks and I've added to this stack, and I also defined the policy and added to the stack, and it's manually attached. But what you can do if you want to enable, for example, Treevee scans all over the place, you can create a context that gets all of these hooks and saves them inside of it. And you can also use this policy again all over the place. So in Spacelift, for context and policies, we have an auto-attach mechanism. So if you go to context, you'll see the Treevee one right here, and you see that we have the auto-attach Treevee label. So now if I create a stack that has the Treevee label, this would be automatically attached to it. The same happens to policies as well. So if I go here and search for Treevee, you're going to see that my Treevee policy, if I go here to edit details, I'll have to add it first. I'll just add auto-attach Treevee, click on enter and save changes. So this policy will be from now on automatically attached to any stack that gets created with the Treevee label. So if I go to a stack right now and create a new one with whatever name, but with the Treevee label, you are going to see that both the policy and the context were automatically attached to this stack. So if I go to context, you are going to see it's auto-attached right here. And if I go to policies, you are going to see that this one is auto-attached in here. In this way, you can easily implement Treevee all over the place. You're not required, this is just an example with Treevee, so you're not required to do Treevee. You could do checkoff, you could do tfscan, you can do whatever you want. You'll just need to define the policies and define the context that does the download and the installation of the tool. And you are not even limited to security vulnerability scanning tools. You can use whatever tools you want in your workflow, whatever tools make sense. And that's it for this one.